In this video, you will learn how you can create AWS account, which is free for 12 months. Also, AWS provides some services which are free for lifetime. By the way, this is the second part of this entire video series. If you are directly coming to this video, I will suggest you to watch this entire video series, which is related to DevOps, AWS, GitLab, and many more things. So, without wasting our time, let's get started. Hey, what's going on internet? This is Vivek from TechWithVP. Your problem, our solution. As you can see in my screen, I have opened my browser. You can use any browser. To create AWS free tier account, search for AWS console. Open this AWS Web Services, sign up for free AWS account. So I'm clicking on it and you will come to here, AWS free tier. So before we create our account, let's explore some services provided by AWS which are free for 12 months. So let's click on it and it will land here. So I will explain you some services which we will use in this entire video series. The first service is AWS EC2 instance. So this is our instance service which provides 750 hours per month. So 750 divided by 24, it means 31 days. So it will be renewed every month. Second service is Amazon S3, which is our storage, or it provides bucket 5 GB of S3 storage, standard storage, which is free for 12 months. So we can use the S3 for storing our files, like our static files, our uploads, like file uploads, profile images, and everything we can store here. The third service which we will be using is Amazon RDS. It is the same like 750 hours of AWS RDS, single AZ D2 DB, T2 micro or T3 microservices. So this provides MySQL, Postgre, MariaDB or SQL Server instances. This is basically to store your data, like database, for database services. And one more service we will use is Amazon Elastic Block Storage, which provide 30 GB of storage for your instance. So these four services which we are going to use a lot in this tutorial series. So let's go to create an AWS account page and create our AWS account. So as you can see, we have to provide our email address and name for our AWS account. So it says root user email address. Now what is this root user? So when you first create your AWS account, you begin with one identity that has a full access of your AWS account. It says some administrative functions. So I'm giving my email address. We have to verify this to proceed. I'm giving name TechWithVP and verify email. So they will send us a verification code. And I am writing that code, verify. So it's your email address has verified. So our first step is done. Now I will set a password for this account. Continue step 1 of 5. So the next step is sign up for AWS contact information. So you have to provide your contact information details here. So first is how do you plan to use AWS? So we are using it as personal for our own projects. So let's fill these details quickly and go ahead. So we have filled our details, and next step, continue step 2 of 5. So in the next step, you have to provide billing information. So you can add your debit card here, you can add your credit card details here. So I'm going to add my personal details here, and I will show you in the next step. So what will be the next step? Let's quickly add these all details here. Now I have added my information and I'm going to click on verify and continue. So it will verify my card details, and if it is right, then we can proceed with the fourth step. Now our card is verified and you can see confirm your identity. Before you can use your AWS account, you must verify your phone number. When you continue, the AWS automated system will contact you with verification code. So click on text messages, provide your number again. India, I'm writing my mobile number and this captcha code. They will send you SMS and you have to verify this OTP. Mine is 3273. Continue step 5. Now you can see they have provided us like developer support for $30 per month, business support $100 per month, but we are continue with this basic support and free plan. So choose the plan and continue, complete sign up. You can see congratulations message that our AWS account is created successfully. Thank you for signing up with AWS. We are activating your account, which should only take a few minutes. You will receive an confirmation email. Now go to AWS console. So our AWS account has created successfully and within short time you will receive your confirmation email. So now you can proceed with your AWS account and use these all services.